Custom keyboards started off as a very niche hobby, with probably 1 in 100 people knowing about it 5 years ago. Now, during the Fortnite era, as some streamers and YouTubers started to get their hands on custom keyboards and having amazing reactions to them. A lot of people wanted one for themselves. The demand started to rise way more than the supply could keep up, and people had to wait months, even years, to get their hands on the custom keyboard. As such, entrepreneurs and business owners started to see this gap in the market where the demand far exceeded the supply.
The key to making money in a situation like this is to position yourself now before the settlement, because by the time you read about it in the Wall Street Journal, it's already too late.
Now, they wanted a slice of the pie. They wanted to take some of that market share and make some of that money for themselves. As such, more custom keyboard products were born, with different companies offering better and better products at cheaper and cheaper prices. Now there's an overflow of products, hundreds of switches, hundreds of keycaps, hundreds of keyboard cases made out of plastic, aluminum, titanium, vibranium. Shit, bro, we even got levitating keyboards. We are basically spoiled for choice, and once you get your hands on your first custom keyboard and you get a feel of your own creation, you'll be thinking about your next keyboard the next week. You'll be back on YouTube researching new products, looking for the perfect endgame keyboard, but you'll soon realize that there will never be an endgame keyboard. Your search for the perfect keyboard is a never-ending journey, and you will never ever be satisfied. So what would happen in late 2022 if you spent $60 on a keyboard and another $60 to upgrade it? You would get one shockingly good ASMR ready sounding keyboard that feels like you're typing on clouds. Except for the spacebar though, that's an L. That was an L. Like, it was really bad. But everything else sounds amazing. So how do we achieve such synergy in a keyboard? The perfect blend of ingredients that complements one another, almost like they were made for each other. So after hours of digging, scouring the internet, these are the products that I picked for this journey. Let's go. For $60, we got the RK61. It has rainbow lights, you can swap the switches out, the keycaps are really nice and clean, and it comes pre-modded with foam. $60, baby. For switches, we got the Akko Sakura pinks. I mean, come on, like, look at these, bro. Like, look, they are so aesthetic. Yes, I'm a dude, and I like the color pink. If any guys or girls out there likes the color pink, leave a comment down below, hashtag Team Pink, and I'll leave a random comment emoji. And for the keycaps, so let's get this thing started, baby. Oh, my bad. Let the modding begin, baby.
Let's go. Gata mata hoetelo motherfucker. Ai teni deki nai. Yume kala same nai, yume same nai. Itsu kala kono sei kaku I don't mind. Nalaba, kuleba, jibun ga nakere nagasareru tsunami. Mix up, omae no sei de. Level up, follow up, yappari omae no okage de. Migi mite, hidari mite, migi mite. Hola, subete ga maboroshi. Nametaka nametoke. Kawari ni gelo haku. I have to go and boom. Let's go. Doko e? Who's gone? Doko e? Gata mata hoetelo motherfucker. Ai teni deki nai.
Here it is. It's finally done. Everything is nicely modded and assembled. It's not like you're sending like visual improvements to the keyboard, but the gold is all inside, baby. So the question that a lot of people are hopefully wondering, is it worth spending a good chunk of your cash and 4 to 6 hours of your time dismantling every single part of your keyboard, stripping it down piece by piece, part by part, all for just a better sounding keyboard? Oh yeah, it's 100% worth it. Alright, so the moment you've all been waiting for, how does this keyboard sound? Let's find out.